Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. In this video, we'll discuss NetSuite Inventory Transfer. An inventory transfer in NetSuite is used when you want to move stock from one location or bin to another without affecting your overall inventory balance. This is different from an inventory adjustment because you are not changing the total quantity in the system, just moving it between locations. Example scenario: I have an item with 500 units on hand, valued at $2,500. I want to move some of this stock from my warehouse location to warehouse 2 location. Steps to create an inventory transfer. Go to Transactions, Inventory, Transfer Inventory. Select the correct subsidiary. Enter the effective transfer date and posting period. Add reference number, optional, for tracking. Memo: add notes or explanations about the transfer. Choose the location where stock is coming from. And choose the location where stock is being moved to. Next is to add the items. Notice that the quantity on hand displays as 500. Enter the quantity to transfer, for example, 20 units. Add the inventory detail. Click Save to complete the inventory transfer. Let's now verify the results. Refresh the item record. You'll see that the 20 units have moved from my warehouse to warehouse 2. The inventory value remains at $2,500 since only the location of the stock changed, not the total. And that's how to perform an inventory transfer in NetSuite. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.